One man just come outside to come complain how police and lasma carry im bleeding wife wey be say she dey bleed, drive and dey go because of wetin? Say dis woman no wear seat belt. Hey! Nigerian pipu abi Nigerian police una matter don tire me. Mr. Eze talk say him and him wife dey just dey comot jejely. Na there dis woman come talk say e be like say one kind pain she dey because she get belle. She dey feel one kind pain for her waist before we go see na there blood begin come outside from the woman private part. Before we go see, dem wan try rush dis woman go hospital. Na there police carry I no know phone wey dem dey use carry phone begin record say dem wan arrest dis person because of say wetin the woman no wear seat belt. Abeg wetin she wan use seat belt do in a condition wey be say she dey in pain? Person dey rush person and know how. Dis man talk say him beg dis, dem even explain give dem dis police. Police say dem no be doctor, say the matter no even concern dem. Abeg make una follow me well dis man for talk dis thing.
This wicked man carried my wife inside that traffic with all the screaming that she was dying. I wonder why they became so conscious of the birth than a woman who is pregnant and who was bleeding and was dying. Inside that bus, while I was with them, those guys at the back started negotiation with me that I am supposed to pay officially 35,000 naira. But because of my situation and my wife's condition, that they can tamper justice with mercy by allowing me to pay only the sum of 10,000 naira. I priced 5,000. They say no, that is 5,000 last, 10,000 last. At that point, I never knew that the envelope of 150,000 naira was no longer in the car. The Supo, who was he claimed to be the commander of the team, he called his colleagues and told them that I was coming to come and meet them to give them 10,000 naira. And I asked the person, the police officer, the superman, that what about my driver license and my international passport? He said that I should come on Monday to their office and I will meet him. By the time I meet him, he will let me know how much I'm going to pay to have access to my particulars. So it was thereafter I now started running. I saw only my wife in the car. The police officer inspector who was in the car with my wife, with the last man guy, we are standing on top of the railway expecting me to get to that place so that I can give them the money. I collected the key for my wife and then entered my steering, and from there I drove away. By the time she just stepped her feet on the ground, there was heavy flow of blood. We got to one hospital, Twin Hospital, medical center. When the doctor saw my wife's condition, she was mad, very mad at me that why would I be this wicked? How can my wife be bleeding and bled to this extent? And she was scanned, the results came out and stated that it was a miscarriage. I've lost this baby just like that. Tell me how any human being can justify this. I've not committed any offense.
I feel terribly bad because you know what it is when you lost a child. No woman can take it.
All these our officials, common heart, I don't know where they don't divide their heart into four. They don't even get one at all. How person go dey in this kind of critical condition? You no go even reason her. You no go even send her. The problem on her own wear the seat belt. Abeg some downfall driver wey dey even drive common seat belt, they no even rope sef, they no dey tie for chest. Una no dey see them arrest too. One on her eye go dey chook, na innocent people be say na no say na go fit target them. Na come carry bone say na dey right. This country, in fact, e don spoil tire. E don spoil finish because things no dey work out well. So abeg, if say this woman come die, wetin dem dis last man police wan come talk? Wetin dem wan come talk say be their excuse? Because if say this country dey okay, if say this our country dey okay, person wey dey in emergency wetin I go even call am, person dey inside emergency, you no even suppose dey inside traffic. When you dey say you know say you dey in medical condition, you suppose even comot from the traffic, just drive pass go. But see Nigeria, person dey die, you still dey do one, you go still stay inside traffic dey wait. Nobody get patience inside the country. But in fact, based on this police people action, na there this woman lost her baby. In fact, I don't know if I go even swear for this police have been at the last man. Person now pikin don die because of her actions. And I no even pity her, say she dey. Hey! Nigeria on her own, make money just dey enter. Make money enter in her pocket. Wetin come surprise me, the man talk say he keep 150k inside the motor. Before he go see, as they drive the motor with the woman, money don't disappear. And them they claim say they don't even touch this. Abeg o, na evil spirit enter the motor go carry am, be na ogbanje enter there go take am. Because who again want thief this money? They carry the man passport. Abeg wetin all those one? Una be immigration officer. When we say that they seize person passport, una see driver's license, e dey accurate. Wetin come remain again? At least the person don tell you say na this condition na dey, as because una no even get heart, na make am talk say una no be doctor. If una don deal with them finish before una come carry them dey go hospital. Abeg, why we be like this inside this country? Why we be say we no even get heart at all, our officials like this? It means say they no even dey there to save life. Their own, they no even, in fact, they don turn thief. Anything wey concern make I save life, they no dey ready. Their own na make they collect 15 naira put am inside their pocket, na their own solution be that one. And this one no make sense. Na here government suppose open eye, come put mouth on top their matter. Because then these police people, be they be real police or be they be fake, we know they know now. Person fit just decide now go meet up Bioma, so police uniform, say don't turn police. Now so the country don't turn into, as our government self no one grip put mouth inside the matter. But this man now he don't come as I say he need compensation. Because pikin wey dey kill, they know. What if this woman now had the miscarriage she get now her last belle be that? I beg how they want to do am back. So the best thing, Oga, just carry the these people go court. Because this one wey dey here they talk, I'm not sure say this talking go do anything. The best, carry them go court, make them go face una self for there. Now there they go feel help and end up. If not, this matter will just go into the drain. I don't give you my own advice. So my people, I beg, I hear this one. I can't make I bring and come, make na service na ear. Hear what they happen inside this Nigeria we do. Anything when I feel about this whole matter, I just hear now. Make na write them inside the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for our next video. 3 Nigerian migrants, so they just jumped from 10-story building, say that they escaped fire. This one they happen inside France for where they call Marseille. We gotta say this fire break out around 5 a.m. early momo. Now this thing happen for this housing estate. What they call them? Les Flamand. Upon you hear name Les Flam, you never hear the flag. When we say fly means say fire, you know here now. You can't decide say now this kind of place now you won't go live. But as we gotta say this place now there so many Nigerians they live. Now we say they live there, they squat for inside this kind of place. Now here these people they live before they go see. Now there fire circulate inside the building, start to the bomb places. And as it be, some people don't even die. Some people say fire don't even burn them. My people beg, make now follow me see.
60 people when you die, and they carry soul. See beauty when fire enter. Yes. People when jump from up die. Many people die. Many Nigerians die.
What I want to ask now, what really caused the problem?
We don't know. As at let me just say, later or yesterday, as at 2 o'clock, my brother woke me up. He said there's a problem. I should come and listen. I said, what? What I was hearing, noise. Then Arabu,
Don't worry, let's
Arabu, the next day I said, okay, you hold this knife, let me hold this knife. We open the door, there's no noise again. I said, we cannot descend down. Let's go back inside. Because it's, maybe all these people, they may just hide in one place.
Yeah, they wait.
He said, bro, all these people, I believe they will come back. I said, no, don't worry, they cannot bust this my door. If they want to come, they cannot bust my door. Let's just relax. The same man, that same my brother is the one that woke me up this morning again.
We don't die, so.
No.
Okay.
So that is all I know. So we all are confused. We don't know what to do. Because the way they take us in this country, most especially this Marseille,
Yeah.
I don't know what is happening.
Rest in peace to these people, but I can't surprise. Ordinary 2-story building, they fear me. Now, a person come decide say he won't go jump from 10-story building. Hey, now wow, but I'm sure saying out of panic, maybe person don't reason and say, how you want to escape? No place again for him to pass. Now make can come and say, okay, the only place where you go fit pass now to jump this kind of story building. But as we got there, they say this story building, they don't abandon them. So all these people they live there, nobody say they pay for house rent too. They just say they according they want, I beg go to there for their abroad. People go they go say they travel go abroad, they don't travel go France. I beg now the France when they go, now the abroad when they go with this. When they say now inside uncompleted building, now they go live. Or now go there the house, now they pay illegal things, now they do illegal things. Because the police for that side talk say, in fact, if they find any notorious drug dealer, where be Nigerian, come to that place. Come to them myself. In fact, this less flamento, I mean, what they call it. If you enter that compound, I be that building, you go see things. You know, go even climb the place. If fear go down, they catch you because the kind drawing where they don't draw for. Now they watch all this on in both maybe say this place go be like terrorist zone. Now so this kind of place be. And say that place, Nigerians they dominate. Nigerians dominate. I want the one that beg, Marcel police, France police. On they fear than this Nigerians are waiting they happen. Why be saying I don't feel go there go boss than these people? Because on top this whole thing, I get one woman self still come out and talk say she don't dey live there for so many years and say she dey pay for house rent to one drug lord. So if you don't even pay self na wahala. And say this attack wey happen, they gather say na person na do this fire on purpose. E be like say person wan bomb person, person wan kill person, and they ain't come do this thing. Forgetting say if you throw this fire, the thing will spread. Person where you won't keep, maybe you never sleep for inside that building that day. Now innocent people waiting for there, and then they will come die. Some people I know they know the kind of reason where they reason. You go the reason say you won't keep person, but you know go even reason and say make a target the person I won't keep. You go the target to kill everybody. But to me, in fact, abroad don't come off my eye. It means say this abroad na packaging. See people where they abroad. In fact, their English no even be like person where they abroad. They still they speak broken like say they inside word. The English now the English even strong. I bet wetin na come dey do. If na no say na they suffer. Because na talk say police come, police no even see anything. Because me I dey expect say I go see like firefighters and all those kind of people. But as you got na police come. But I sure say police as they see on a strong face, na they fear. They come reason say nothing they go fit do. But I beg how a Nigerian you go decide say that this kind of place you won't go. Go set to born your own pikin. Kuku come back house or come back Nigeria because it be like say Nigeria even dey safe. Things dey okay. Because if na go see person where they say I dey for abroad, they live large. And they see the kind of work they do. It means say they don't do any legit work. Now 419, thief work, drug, weed and things work now you do for them. They say they don't open their national, we don't see them. Marcel people. Now go take say your family go there, they go there happy say your family don't travel. In fact, my people sabi take risk. Our Nigerian brother owners sabi take risk. All in the name of saying I won't travel, now go this place. Now these people don't die now. What do you want to tell their family? They don't even at least the fire they book. Look for another escape route or stand for the window. Which one come be won't fly? When they say be Spider-Man or be Batman, you come reason and say the only thing we go fit do not to fly. Anyways, rest in peace. You don't die. Nothing will fit do. But I even pity the people who born because you gotta say one small 2 years old became born for the thing. How she won't take group? How people when they see her, this one now it go come turn to her face go don't turn to scar. Person go see her now begin run. But people beg make we dey careful. People when they travel up and down, hope say na they using her ear. Here, I hear this one. I can't make her bring and come. Make na say this na ear. Here we see they happen. Anything I just talk now. If na get anything to talk about, and make na write am inside the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for our next video.